Hello Kickstarter! Welcome to a 14th crowdfunding campaign. Today we are proud to introduce MagHub Quad Max, the world's first 18.5-inch triple portable display.
MagHub Quad Max features 3 large 18.5-inch displays, all running through a single USB-C cable with 1080p Full HD resolution on every screen. No mess, just a pure multi-screen experience. MagHub Quad Max delivers a seamless multi-screen workflow with consistent 16:9 aspect ratios. Natural and intuitive, just like a real desktop setup. IPS panels provide wide viewing angles, ensuring clear visibility from every position. Front, side, or back, keeping collaboration smooth and uninterrupted. Visual creators enjoy precise editing with a seamless workflow, consistent displays, and true multi-desktop performance. A strong, precision-engineered hinge lets MagHub Quad Max fold smoothly into a compact, portable form.
MagHub Quad Max, a better way to work.